Hello and welcome students to the section 5 of the course Exploitation with Metasploit. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we are going to learn about the overview of exploitation. Then we will learn that how you can attack or exploit Windows operating system. And we will learn about how you can exploit website. And then finally we will learn about how you can exploit or penetrate network. So let's start with the exploitation overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, what is exploitation, and then what is the process to get exploitation phase. Let's talk about exploitation, that what is exploitation. So in the first point you can see that exploitation means intrude or penetrate a system. Exploitation is a kind of process, right, in which attacker tries to penetrate or intrude. Means intrusion when you're trying to get into something, right? That is intrusion. Or penetration when you are trying to penetrate something. So what are you penetrating? A system, any kind of system. It can be a network, it can be a website, it can be any Android app or iOS app, anything, doesn't matter. A system penetration or a system intrusion is called exploitation. Alright, examples are also here that you can see that network exploitation, web exploitation, application exploitation, and any other exploitation. Human exploitation is also possible using social engineering techniques, right? So these all kinds of exploitations are the example of this process of exploitation. So this is a three-step process to achieve or to get the exploitation phase. First is information gathering. What is information gathering? Information gathering is a phase in which attacker tries to gather more and more info about your target. You have a target. In information gathering phase, your goal is to get more and more information about your target, right? For example, if it is a website, then what you can get information about a website, for example, what is the exact domain name, right? Who is the registrar, right? And basically DNS information, where is the company address, company phone number, etc. So these kind of information is information gathering phase. Next is vulnerability scanning. Information gathering is done. Now we need to find out that what are the loopholes available in the website. I'm taking just an example of a website, right? So it can be a network, it can be any application. So we need to find out that what are the, we means attacker, right? We need to find out what are the loopholes available in the application or website or network, right? List them. And then last part is exploitation. In exploitation phase, we need to find out the proper exploit or proper method so that we can intrude or exploit or penetrate inside the target machine. So target machine can be any client machine, target machine can be a server machine, right? It can be any kind of system. So this is applicable for any kind of system. Information gathering, first gather information, then find out the loopholes or vulnerability, and then use these exploits to penetrate that system. So this is the process of exploitation. So this is all about the overview of exploitation phase.